Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today we're going to be covering Polygon, which was formerly known as Matic Network. Since we had the crash last week because of China banning the financial services of cryptocurrencies and Elon Musk tweets and Tesla not accepting Bitcoin, we have seen the market absolutely crash. Now, despite the crash, we know Bitcoin started showing recovery and therefore the rest of the altcoins followed. However, Polygon Matic stood out more than the rest. And the reason why is because of the fundamentals that Polygon Matic is offering is going to be solving a huge problem on the Ethereum network. Before we begin, hit that like button below and help my channel out so that I can continue to make free content for you guys. And there's a link below for WEBULL where you can get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100, and those 2 free stocks can be worth up to $1,600, which I think is a really good deal. Anyway, let's get into Polygon. So looking at the Polygon price, we can see that we saw an initial run up to around May 19th, which was when Elon Musk's tweet came out and also the Tesla announcement for not accepting Bitcoin. Then we saw the rest of the alts crash. Then around here, we saw the China FUD come out on May 21st, which resulted in the crypto market having an even larger crash, and that's when people were really doubting whether we were even in a bull market. However, I did mention in my previous videos that I believe that we were still in a bull market because fundamentals supported it. And so yes, we saw a huge recovery, and now we're showing a bit of a correction. However, you know that many of these alts tend to follow what the major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum are doing, and since Polygon does provide a solution to Ethereum, which I will go into in this video, so since we also saw recovery in Ethereum, I believe we're going to see continued upside for Polygon. But this is because Polygon is the solution for Ethereum to be a multi-chain blockchain. Hear me out. What this means is that the interoperability for Ethereum will be greater because Polygon will enable it to be able to function on different blockchains, not just the Ethereum blockchain. So on Matic Network's website, as you know, they aim to be Polygon now. They aim to enable Ethereum to become a full-fledged, powerful multi-chain system. So I think just for background, we should probably cover why Matic even is becoming Polygon, what the difference is, and why Polygon is going to be a huge component in Ethereum's success. So Polygon Matic is similar to Polkadot. It basically aims to connect different public blockchains to a multi-chain network. And this will basically help them communicate more effectively and also pool different securities together. It basically helps different networks connect together. For example, Bitcoin operates on its own network. So this will basically provide a framework for different blockchains to connect, and basically they can sort of opt in. It's kind of like HTML on the internet and how they connect with browsers and different servers. So it's basically like the internet or blockchain. So the idea behind this is to sort of tackle the mining of transactions and the messiness behind it. So for example, when you're validating a transaction and when like security protocols take place, by solving those problems, it enables developers to focus on dApps and smart contract functionality. The Matic network was started in 2017 with a vision to help create a better open world, primarily by improving the Ethereum infrastructure. So this project is basically enabling Ethereum's mass adoption. So in the last 3 years, the Matic network have achieved the following. They have implemented and offered Matic Plasma chains, a production-ready Ethereum Layer 2 solution. So they also implemented and offered a Matic proof-of-stake chain and a permissionless Ethereum virtual machine compatible proof-of-stake secured Ethereum sidechain. Wow, that was a mouthful. Which basically relies on strong Ethereum security for validator staking and checkpoints. And they've onboarded 80 plus applications, and these include the following: Polymarket, Avagotchi, kind of sounds like Avagotchi, sounds like Tamagotchi. Anyway, Neon District and a few more. You guys can like check those out. I've gone through their websites and some of them are very interesting applications. They've powered 7 million transactions for 200,000 user addresses, with transaction activity increasing by the day. And they've secured 75 million of user funding, awarded 1 million in grants. Basically, all these things that they are achieving is really good for the fundamentals behind price increases, which is why I believe in the fundamentals behind Polygon's project. I do think, yes, we're in obviously a speculative bull market, and you saw when crashes happened, the Polygon price did fall massively. However, I believe Polygon is that solution for Ethereum. And the long-term fundamentals for Ethereum are there. We know that in the next, whether it's in this bull run or the next bull run, Ethereum will probably surpass around $29,000. However, for that to happen, a project like Polygon Matic can really provide them with achieving that mass adoption for it to even reach that price. So here is Ethereum, and these are the different components that Polygon offers. They offer shared security chains, the Matic proof-of-stake plasma chains, standalone side chains, ZK rollups, optimistic rollups, and enterprise chains. So essentially, Polygon is what they've described as a well-structured, easy-to-use platform for Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development. So the core component is the Polygon SDK, which is a modular, flexible framework that supports building and connecting two major types of solutions. And these include secured chains. So secured chains, which are basically scaling solutions that rely on Ethereum for security instead of establishing their own validator pool. And then they also have standalone, which are side chains, which are sort of more autonomous, where they, as they've described it, as more sovereign Ethereum side chains, normally fully in charge of their own security with their own validator pool. So they have the secured, which obviously doesn't have its own validator pool. They just rely on on Ethereum for security. So that's a scaling solution, whereas the standalone chain is its own autonomous, separate Ethereum solution. So yeah. So what do these chains even allow? Well, they allow inter-chain messaging protocols, which means that different blockchains can communicate with other different blockchains. So it's like a multi-chain network, basically. And data availability services, shared security services, and adapters for external blockchain networks, so that they can communicate with other blockchains, app-specific modules, enterprise modules and products, premium products and solutions. Obviously, that's a bit vague, but in practice, it's basically the multidisciplinary nature of the internet of blockchains, basically. So there are 3 upsides that Polygon Matic has that is better than maybe other ones like Polkadot and Cosmos and Avalanche. And these are the following. It's fully integrated already in the Ethereum network and the Ethereum ecosystem, so it's easier for it to basically benefit from Ethereum's network effects. The second is that it's inherently more secure because it actually uses Ethereum, which, as we know, is like groundbreaking technology. It's been tried, tested, the one and only Ethereum. Wow, that sounds like a commercial speech for Ethereum. But anyway, and the third reason is that it's more open and powerful. Because it's so integrated with the Ethereum system, it allows it to scale when Ethereum scales. It allows it to provide solutions to the Ethereum ecosystem as Ethereum itself increases and expands its ecosystem. So in case you guys wondered, why did they change from Matic Network to Polygon? That's because what happened with Matic Network, it just got integrated into Polygon, which has more different components. So it's kind of a bigger project. So Matic, which had its Matic proof of stake chain, and it also had its Matic plasma chain, those are all still functional in Polygon. Now on to price predictions and bullish momentum. So some news that came out yesterday that really gives us confidence in Polygon is that Mark Cuban, billionaire investor, has invested in Polygon. Polygon has tweeted that Mark Cuban has incorporated Polygon into his company portfolio. MarkCubanCompanies.com has actually mentioned this as well. So as we know, seeing billionaire Mark Cuban invest, it will give people a lot of confidence in the fundamentals also behind Polygon. It will give it more media traction as well, which will definitely help its price increase. We can see that Cuban is integrating Polygon Crypto into Lazy.com, which is a portfolio company that allows people to easily display NFTs, so non-fungible tokens. So seeing him invest definitely gives people bullish sentiment, and people will start investing even more, and the price will see an increase. So I'm definitely really positive on Polygon's price in the long run. Of course, I do think we are approaching, of course, we're in a bull market right now, and we have been in a bull market for a while, so I don't know how much longer prices will keep going up, but definitely in the long term, if Polygon sets out to provide that interoperability for Ethereum, if it does give that mass adoption for Ethereum, then I do believe that Polygon may be the biggest rival to things like Polkadot and Avalanche and Cosmos, and it will definitely be a really, really good investment in the long term. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. I only give my thoughts on on what I believe a project it has going for itself, what the fundamentals are, and whether I believe in them, then it's down to you to doing your own research in when you decide what you invest in. So for some price predictions, I would probably guess it will be heading around the $6 region if we continue this bull market. Around $6 would be my prediction, which is about a 3x from where we're at right now. So Capital calls Polygon one of the most promising cryptocurrencies this year, and they think that they've said that it'll be around $3 for 2021. Digital coin price is less bullish and said it will surpass $2 and won't reach the 2.68 high again. Now, disclaimer, when I said it could reach $6, that is all contingent on the bull market continuing. That is contingent of Ethereum, Bitcoin reaching its all-time highs again, continuing. If it doesn't, then I don't think Polygon will reach $6. Maybe it will in the long term when we see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and sort of surpassing their all-time highs in the next Bitcoin halving cycle bull market. But I mean, it will all depend on them. So just bear that in mind when you consider things like price predictions. Most time people give price predictions when they are assuming we're still in a bull market. If we are, I personally think it could 3x from where we're at. But again, this is not financial advice. The Wallet Investor has said $5.5 and Gov Capital predicts a very bullish valuation of around 6.13. And also Polygon is also on its track in achieving its roadmap. I mentioned Polygon SDK earlier on, but they've just tweeted yesterday that they have now reached an important milestone for Polygon, which is a major step, which is the Polygon SDK, which will basically help it have that multi-chain Ethereum. So this is really good news in terms of having an actual active product that can be implemented and executed in real time. Like, it's not just an idea anymore. Now they have actually launched the Polygon SDK. So I think this is great news, and I'm really, really bullish, provided the bull market is still in a bull market. Remember that when it comes to prices. In terms of the actual project and the fundamentals, I'm bullish for the long term for sure. So those are my thoughts. What do you guys think of Polygon Matic? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think, what your thoughts are on Polygon Matic. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It would really help me out. It will help push my videos out so people who can't normally see my videos get to see this video, and it will help me continue making free content for you guys. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button below. I make new videos every single week, and a lot of it is time sensitive information, so it would be really useful for you guys to hit that bell notification so that you get informed on when I post a video. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next. Bye.